Okay? My dear students of class 7, again today I have come to take your online class from Kalihati Pilot Girls High School. My today's class is Unit 5, Lesson 2, Begum Rokeya. Dear student, Begum Rokeya is one of the greatest women in our Bangladesh, you can say. Dear student, and now I discuss one after one the activities of Begum Rokeya. Okay? At first, Begum Rokeya was born 1880 at Pairabon village, Rangpur district. Her father was a landlord named Zohruddin Muhammad Abu Ali Haidar Shabir, and her elder brother was Ibrahim Shabir. Okay? But now, this point, Begum Rokeya was born in a large family, but it was very conservative family. Perhaps you know that in that time, in the British rule, the education for the women of Muslim society was banned by the rule of British government. No woman could not gain Bangla, English and mathematics, but they could only studies on Arabic and Persia at home, not in school and college. But after was born of Begum Rokeya, when she was going after day by day, then she understood about the cause of Muslim women. When she was young, then she wanted to establish the right of women, because then the right of women was not equal to men, and she always believed that women would have right equal to men, and that is why at first she wanted to be an educated woman. When the education for women of Muslim community was banned by the rule of British government, then at the dead of night, she went to her elder brother named Ibrahim Shabir. There she studied Bengali, English and mathematics with a candle light. When she grown, then she understood it that, of course, he would make equal right just like a man. But at the age of 16 in 1996, when she was only 16, she was married with Shakawat Hussain, was a deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, Bihar district of Indian subcontinent. You know that East Bangla was a part of Indian subcontinent. You know, Pakistan, East Bangla and India together was Indian subcontinent. Then East Bangla was the part of Indian subcontinent. Then her husband Shakawat Hussain was a deputy magistrate of Bhagalpur, Bihar district of Indian subcontinent. When Rokeya's husband Shakawat Hussain knew that her wife was very eager for to take education, then she was very interested and very willing to her wife, and she anytime helped to her his wife Begum Rokeya. But as a matter of regret that she could not a long time lived with her husband at the age of 13. After marriage, her husband Shakawat Hussain died in 1909. Only 13 years Begum Rokeya was with her husband Shakawat Hussain. However, then she became widow, but she was struggling to establish the right of Muslim women in the Indian subcontinent. At first, she wanted to establish Shakawat Memorial in Bhagalpur, where her husband was born. But the people of Bhagalpur opposed it. Then from Bhagalpur, she went to Calcutta. Only 8 girls students at the center of Calcutta in 1911. She built a high school, and in 1916 she established Muslim Mohila Samiti. In 1917, Lady Camsford, wife of Viceroy of Indian subcontinent, visited Rokeya's high school, and then it was upgraded and English Girls High School at the center of Calcutta. In 19 in 1931, 3 students appeared at the entrance examination from her school under Kolkata University. City. Actually, we can say about Begum Rokeya, she was the first woman. She was the first woman who fought against the British rule. British rule to ban and to establish the equal rights of men. And Begum Rokeya not only was a social worker, she was a teacher, a guider, a social worker, and a great woman of that time in the British rule when the Indian subcontinent. Okay? And she was a famous and great writer. Through his writings, through her writings, to establish it. Equal right of man. He did not stop of her hard working, still her life. At last, Begum Rokeya died nine September 9th December. December in 1942 at the age of 52. But today, from then, her death, she is very memorable woman. Everybody, today we remember her works, how he struggled to establish the right of women when all women, all Muslim family, the women community could not go to school and college for their Bengali, English, mathematics learning, but she at first learned Bengali, English and mathematics to the help of her elder brother, and she wanted to spread out her knowledge among the whole women. And from then, the women got the rights of equal right of man. From then, the women of Muslim community, but today can go to school and college and take their proper education. And we know that the women have gained their equal rights of man, and that is why today you can see that the Prime Minister, Magistrate, DC, SP from women are becoming and also President from her strugglement. And okay, my dear student, no more today. Again, when I come, then I take also other class. Thank you. And at last, I also pray to God for your bright and good. Thank you.